Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here, back with another video. Today, my wife is going to show you how to make a classic Sichuan dish called ants climbing a tree. This dish consists of bean thread noodles in an aromatic sauce with ground pork. She'll show you step by step how to make her family recipe on this spicy, fragrant, and delicious specialty. It is extremely easy to make and only takes around 15 minutes or so to prepare and cook. This unique name came from the visual appearance of the dish, where the glass noodles represent tree branches, the chopped green onions constitutes the leaves, and the ground pork represents the ants. This dish is not a noodle dish that you eat on its own. It makes a great complementary dish served over rice. This is one of our kids' favorites. Before we get started, if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel right now so I can continue posting more videos for you in the future. Let's go! Ants climbing a tree is very simple to make. You can probably make this dish in about 15 minutes or less. Some of the ingredients you're going to need. Well, we're going to start off with 2 bundles of bean thread noodles. You can get this at any Asian grocery store. Simply soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften. Next, we have half a pound of lean ground pork. Chinese black vinegar, any brand will work. Pure sesame oil. Dark soy sauce. Less sodium, light soy sauce. And we have here our homemade chili oil. This chili oil consists of toasted sesame seeds, hot peppers, ground chili peppers, and oil. We are actually going to show you how to make this aromatic chili oil that you can put on pretty much any food item you want. We will show this in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Now it's time to prepare the ground pork. Simply mix in 1 teaspoon of salt, along with 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce into the ground pork and mix thoroughly. Now, what's the difference between light and dark soy sauce? Dark soy sauce is sweeter, thicker, and fuller bodied than light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce also provides for a deeper, richer color in your dish. She also adds in 1 tablespoon of water as she mixes in the ingredients. Next, she is going to chop up around 6 to 7 green onions. As usual, I'll post all of the ingredients and measurements in the description below. As I've said in the past videos, make sure to curl up your non-cutting fingers, like she is doing here, to prevent from cutting yourself. Safety first. It's now cooking time. Take out your handy dandy wok, turn it on high heat, and wait until the wok is hot enough. It's important to make sure it's at a good temperature to prevent food from sticking. A good rule of thumb to know when your wok is ready is when it starts to steam a little. Once you see a little steam coming out, pour about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil onto the wok. Carefully put in the ground pork onto the wok and stir. Once the ground pork is around halfway done, throw in about half of the chopped green onions and stir fry together. It's extremely important to thoroughly cook the pork. Now it's time to strain the bean thread noodles that has been soaking and add it into the ground pork mixture. Just to let you know, bean thread noodles are also called cellophane or glass noodles. It is made of a plant-based starch, traditionally mung bean starch. Other types of starches might be used as well, such as potato starch and tapioca. The noodles are silky and almost gelatinous in texture. We are in the stretch run. Now you're going to add 1½ cups of hot water. After it comes to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of the homemade chili oil, 2 tablespoons of black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil, and finally 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now stir fry it all together and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. I wish all of you can smell the fragrance coming out of this wok right now. So good. While this dish is simmering, you can prepare the cornstarch mixture. Get a bowl and mix ½ a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Now, slowly add the cornstarch mixture while gently stirring. Notice how it thickens up nicely. Looks beautiful! Now throw in the rest of the chopped green onions and bam! You have made ants climbing a tree. What a beautiful dish. Enjoy! I hope all of you enjoyed watching this video on how to make ants climbing a tree. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos for all of you. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye!